one of the most extreme weather conditions I've ever been in. The icicles are just, they feel like needles on my face. It's amazing. Surreal landscape, guys. Take a look at this. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, it's December 26th. We woke up to a snowstorm where we got how many inches?
We got, well, total we're gonna get about 8 inches of snow, right?
There it is, folks. We're right here by the seashore, and you will see the wind blowing the snow across the surface. It's actually surreal. And then the sea foam that is frozen. Look at this. Look at that. That was wild. Wave just came crashing against the shore. It almost got me, actually.
That would have been bad.
Oh my god.
That would have been bad.
Okay, so what you see here are the multi-million-dollar homes, but now boarded up for the winter. And there's just there.
How deep the snow is in some of the drifts. It's pretty cool. Let's see. So how deep is
wow, look at that.
That's pretty good. That's probably a good 6 inches right there.
Like 6 inches maybe, right?
Inches. And then on some of the, it gets a little deeper, like right here. Look at that. That's pretty good. That's right in here. Right here.
Yeah, so that's what, 6 inches?
I'd say it's about 6 to 8 inch drifts here. And by the time it's all over, then we'll probably go up another 3 or 4 inches in the drifts.
And now it's now what, around 10 o'clock in the morning?
It's about 10 o'clock in the morning.
What time did they say this is going to stop?
The snow is going to stop today around 1 o'clock.
1?
Around 1 o'clock.
Oh my god, and now it's crazy. Oh no, here we go. Okay, so give me a nice, oh perfect. Let's start with you first. Okay, so this is a perfectly formed snowball.
See how quickly that was made too?
Yeah, it's a nice consistency and surprisingly light. Okay, so give me a nice whack.
Alright, I'll see if I can hit the
turtle. Where's the turtle?
Alright.
Okay, here we go. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh. Whoa, right in the heart.
Oh, let's see if we can get the top.
Right in the heart. Okay, guys. So here we are. We're now back in the neighborhood, and I just wanted to show you that how the cars are now covered in snow, and everything is just shrouded in a very pristine white.
If you look at this next fence, it's either a very big snow or a very small fence. Very big snow or a very small fence. And if you see the scale of it, it's just a very small fence. But it looks like a tremendous snowstorm.
Right. Looks deep. Oops, we have a car coming. Hold on. So anyway, wow, this is so much different from how it was by the shore.
A lot more calm here, right? Yeah. Everyone's very friendly. Normally people are friendly down here, but you get the boat wave. Like you're on your boat, people wave. Somebody say, oh, hello, somebody else on a boat. When it snows, you get the snow wave. People, oh, hello, this is fine, we're out in the snow. Right. You know, you get that same kind of wave. What is that?
Everyone's friendly, everyone's cordial. I think weather is a great equalizer.
It is.
It chooses no one.
It is.
And so I think everyone just realizes that we're all in this snowstorm together.
Yeah. And let's enjoy it.
Let's enjoy it.
But then that kid hit me in the head with the snowball. That wasn't very nice.
No one hit you.
Yeah.
Look at here we have birdhouses there. Very cute. And look at these bushes. Look at that. That's amazing. And even here, just the snow gently perches itself on the branches. Oh my god, look at that. That is a is that a cardinal?
That's a robin redbreast.
It's a robin redbreast. Just seeking shelter in this. What is this, mistletoe tree? What do you call that?
It's
a holly tree. Wow. So, okay, so now we can say that I've seen a robin redbreast nesting in a holly tree. Now you can say that too, folks. There it is. That's gorgeous. Oh, it is a white Christmas, folks. Okay, so I guess we can probably sign off from here. So we're now walking back to the house where I think I'm gonna not cool down. I'll warm down with probably a nice mug of coffee. I didn't finish my coffee this morning, so I'm looking forward to that. Ah! Oh, gee.
I had a crumple of snowball, just so you know what it feels like.
That's so annoying. I've been trying to stay. I'm gonna be drenched.
Now you can go in and warm up with a hot cup of cocoa. Well-deserved hot cup of cocoa.
And another warm bath. I took a bath
Number
already.
2 of the morning.
So anyway, happy holidays again, guys. Signing off from Virginia Beach. We're about to cross Atlantic Avenue back to the house.
This has been a White Christmas 2010 on the beach.
Signing off.